Nursery cartoon love journey with Hooram.
Barbie Dreams! In a world where colors gleam and shine, a dreamer wakes her heart entwined with visions bright of places far, where every girl can be a star. Her plastic smile with grace imbued transforms the mundane into the renewed. With fashion bold and stories grand, she holds the dreams we all have planned. From castles high to oceans wide, adventure calls, a thrilling ride. In pink horizons where wishes bloom, she dances through life's vibrant room. Each outfit spun with magic thread, a canvas for the dreams we've bred. For every girl who dares to fly, in Barbie's world they touch the sky. Empowered hearts and dolls so fine, through every struggle that we define. Together strong in laughter's embrace, Barbie reflects our endless chase. The dreams of youth in playful form, to break the mold and redefine norm. She teaches us to stand up tall, that beauty lies within us all. So let her reign in hearts anew, a symbol bright for me and you. In each young girl's imaginative quest, Barbie shines as she inspires zest. So cherish now those moments sweet, embrace your passions, feel complete. For every girl deserves a chance, with Barbie's grace we too shall dance.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hooram.